Hi guys. So here with me is Dexter.
Hey,
So he's not actually feeling well.
I'm not good. The channel itself got
Yeah.
hacked.
So this is. I would like to make this video just to as a reminder for safety for everyone to always secure your account. Always remember to keep your channel safe and secure. Please watch the video until the end, and I will also share the story here as we try. We are still on the process of recovering the channel.
And I also had the help of our subscribers, our followers. And of course, Engineer Nathan is also backing me up and trying to recover. And I hope we can still recover our channel. I've been working hard for the past 4 years. And we have uploaded 604 videos. Sweat and blood actually is the capital of that channel, and I hope that YouTube would give it back to us because it's not theirs, it's ours.
It's actually 1 a.m. here in the morning now.
Yes.
And he's still
I'm
very not really feeling very well because of the channel. So
I love that channel.
So can you tell us the story? What happened?
Yeah. I got an email, and this email was actually offering a review of the products, and it's a Nike product, and I clicked the procedure and how to avail or how to get in touch with the product owners, partnership, something like that. And I got hacked. And later I received a message through my phone that my password has been changed already, and I could not anymore access to my Gmail account and even to my channel. And I just realized that I was really hacked. So it's so painful. It was scary, and I was so frightened because I already, I already invested all my time, my energy, and of course my property to the production of videos, and it was just hacked. So simple as.
So it was after you installed the software. How long after you installed the software?
I think it runs around 5 minutes after.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, very quick. Very quick, and my editor is here, little boy.
Yeah.
Is trying also
Actually,
to.
Dexters Story team is here.
Yeah, and my
also
daughter is
the
there,
daughter.
Paula. Oh, Paula is here.
Yeah. So it's 1 a.m. Still, we cannot sleep. And,
Yeah, we could not sleep because
of
this
course,
is a very.
imagine the work.
Yeah, and the work is not easy. To become a YouTuber and to get
Yeah.
that 1 million plus subscribers is not really easy. It's not even done overnight. It's been slowly growing up, and when it has grown up, it was hacked.
Yeah, his account was hacked. Imagine his account is connected to his mobile. Even though it's connected to the mobile, there's a two-way authentication.
Yeah, but they still manage.
They still managed to
Yeah.
get through your account.
So bad.
They changed the password. They also changed the number.
Yeah, and even
Yeah.
they changed the name of the channel, and they go live. So it's
Yeah,
really.
they changed your channel to what's the name?
What's the name of your channel?
Ethereum.
Ethereum.
It's a
Oh my
crypto. It's a crypto show.
Yeah.
Like a video, and they went live also too,
Yeah.
using your channel.
And a piece of advice to
Yeah.
our fellow YouTubers: maybe you will not feel the way I felt right now, but if you will experience that, of course, you will feel the way I feel right now. And I ask that we will be really vigilant, especially on the messages to our emails that would offer us something like that, partnership, promotions like that.
Yeah.
You
So
should-
number one reminder: do not just install anything. No?
Yeah, and download anything.
Do not download.
Yeah.
And install. Yeah,
I
because
hope-
there is a two-way authentication installed.
Yeah.
But I think Google did not get suspicious with the attempt because it was the software installed to the device, Dexter's device, which is the device that he is
Normally
always
used.
using.
Yeah.
That is why Google did not suspect that it's a suspicious activity. So it was granted.
Yeah.
They were able to change your password,
Yeah.
change your everything. and then you got locked out, so he
Yeah.
was not able to get access. So number one, do not install. And what else would you like?
There's a
to-
lesson learned. Actually, there were so many suspicious messages on my Gmail, and I ignored them. But this one message that looks like legit.
Yeah.
I tried to explore it, and in a split seconds, I got hacked.
Yeah. Get that.
In
So
the-
we're in the process of recovering it.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
we are here. It's as he said, it's one. No, it's 12. It's
12:30.
almost 1 o'clock.
But
Here.
it's a good thing because your followers are the one being. Yeah, it's also one good thing, right? of
What's the
being a
name of
blogger.
our
Subscriber?
Our subscriber? Actually, we're Kenneth.
Kenneth Alex.
And guys, this Kenneth Alex is also helping us to recover our
Yes.
channel. And
Thank you, Alex.
thank you, Kenneth. You're
Kenneth, Alex.
Kenneth Alex, yes. I owe you, man.
Thank
And we get back to you.
So that's also a good thing of being a YouTuber.
Yeah, because many would really,
Really
offer
help.
their help.
Yeah. The concern, and really, there's so many people who are already very concerned of what is going on with Dexter's channel.
Yeah.
So it's also giving us. So if you're planning to be a blogger, yeah, that's one good thing of being a blogger because you can connect to people. This thing happened to us, but there's also good things of
Yeah.
being a YouTuber, and this
Yeah.
this is one of them. The one that is helping Dexter recover the channel is Alex.
Alex Kenneth.
Because he's an experienced.
Yeah, I think he also had that vast experience of recovering channels, that big channels, of course, TV, and
Yeah.
I think he was the one who recovered when it was hacked, and also he also recovered the channel of Jimwell Pacquiao when it was
Oh.
hacked. So this man is also an expert, and I really thank you, Kenneth, if you're watching
Thank
this
you,
video.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. And it has a good sign because the channel now is actually terminated.
Yeah.
We cannot anymore browse on it. We cannot anymore have access to it. But I believe that in due time, maybe how many hours from now, YouTube will bring us back to life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It will be, and also there's so many lessons learned here, no? And I think this is also a blessing in disguise because there are so many ideas that were brought out when we
Yeah,
are
that's true.
having our talk.
That's true.
And
Yeah, we'll go live.
We'll go live.
And what's
Because
right?
it was the first time the channel went live, but it was from the hackers.
And that was actually the lesson that I have learned. When it was hacked, they immediately go live.
They went
So
live,
it
yeah.
opens my mind. Why not go live
Go live.
also? I'm still very hopeful. I said to you that I am a positive person. I am a person who do not focus on the negative aspect. I always look at things on the positive side and the things that could be improved. So I just really hope that we can get back our channel.
So thank you very much, guys, for watching.
Pray for me, guys. We can get back our channel.
Yes, we can. So, guys, thank you. Keep on vlogging.